This is the 2018 UMMC Campus Engagement Fair. This is our effort to do two things. One is to welcome all of our incoming students as a group to our campus, and the other is to promote interprofessional education. We have 7 schools. We want our students to begin to learn to work together, so the catchword is learn from, about, and with each other.
It's a unique thing about UMMC is that you'll have doctoral students and nursing students and pharmacy students all learning together on campus, and so it's a great event. And it helps students after they graduate that much more, because nurses know how to communicate with doctors, pharmacists know how to communicate with nurses because they've been doing it since they were in school together.
This is a great way, now that we have a larger student body, for the students to interact with each other across schools and have an opportunity to grab a hamburger or a hot dog, listen to the music, visit with different people, and just have a fun time.
People tend to stay in their own silos, and so we're hoping that this will kind of initiate the ability for students to interact with students in all the different schools. And so this is the kickoff event for a series of interprofessional opportunities.
We are with the School of Pharmacy. We're all PY3 students currently, and we have some fun activities just for people to kind of see what pharmacists do.
The School of Pharmacy is actually in Oxford on the campus at Ole Miss for the first 2 years, and so at the beginning of 3rd year is when you come to this campus. So 3rd year students are new to campus. You know, it's all very unknown to us at starting 3rd year, so this way we can start interacting with other students from other schools from the get-go, and it just helps get oriented to the campus.
Still finding my way around campus. Still having to get used to getting here early and parking in order to get a decent spot. Getting to know my way around now, slowly but surely.
We hope specifically in the graduate studies, because we're a fairly smaller school, that people will get excited and will know who we are and will hopefully come to some of the events. And we really want to promote working together with other schools throughout the year on different projects, whether it be philanthropy associated or just school-wide support.
It's a good way for first-year students at UMC to come, see what they can get involved in, see what also is at their school that maybe they're not a part of as far as the other professional schools, and allow them to maybe gain a little knowledge about what's going on their campus.
LIFE stands for Living Independence for Everyone. We have an office here in Jackson that is our state office, and we have 5 offices around the state to serve all Mississippians with disabilities.
Mississippi Blood Services is the sole supplier of blood to UMMC, and we depend on not only the community but also the faculty and staff here at the medical center to help us meet those needs.
We are here with DIS. We have a variety of goodies that we're offering. Especially popular with the students is our webcam covers. I say don't let somebody study you while you are studying.
So the most common question is, what are you? That seems to be the biggest question we get, so we have to kind of explain that we're just like a bank. We're just the not-for-profit sector of the financial world, so kind of have to explain that to them.
The student interest groups are definitely playing a bigger role this time around, which I'm happy to see. A good thing for students to know what's available to get involved in early on.
It's an interest group designed to get people outside, to kind of equip you with the tools to be prepared to go on excursions, adventures out in the wilderness, you know, where you have limited medical equipment.
We're demonstrating how to use an ultrasound machine. This is the emergency medicine interest group. Ultrasound is a big technology that we use in the emergency department, and its uses are only expanding. So today we're just trying to show students, because it's a very simple, non-invasive procedure, just some basics about how to tell the difference between an artery, a vein, what soft tissue, what fluid would look like on an ultrasound machine, because if you ever spend any time in the ED, you're probably going to end up using one of these.
In Club Med, we put on a lot of fundraisers. We have Spooky You at Halloween. It's for intellectually delayed adults, and they come around in here and they trick or treat at different booths. And we also have meetings every month with different specialties in internal medicine for M1s and M2s.
Today, students can earn a digital credential for taking part in the interprofessional activities here and providing an assessment at the end. UMed Cred is what UMC calls our new digital credential initiative. And a digital credential is awarded to students, faculty, staff, healthcare providers who take part in a learning activity or a skills development activity.
This is a fun day. It's at the beginning of the school year, so the students get an opportunity to interact in a casual setting and just have fun and meet each other.